Hi guys, Jamie McIntyre here. Just want to talk to you very quickly today about a couple of exciting things. Obviously, most of us are stuck at home in lockdown right around the world. And some things are right outside our control right now. So let's at least why we have this, I guess, unique time where we get so much time to be at home, to focus on what we do control. And after every winter, there is a spring, remember? So the world will come out of this. And if you look back at most crises, back to 2008 as a financial crisis, many great businesses come out of that. And same thing will happen this time. There's so much stimulus pumped in. I expect when there is a recovery to be a decent recovery in most sectors. Some sectors, sadly, are going to not recover at all. They're fucked. But others will. So we've got to be ready for those opportunities. But now you could really be, two things you can be doing. One, learning from home as much as possible. I know it's great to watch Netflix and watch all the Netflix you want, but also take advantage of the Netflix of online education. And that is what I've told you a little about in previous posts, but 21stcenturyu.com. 20th Century University has been set up recently. I've partnered with Eric Bailey, a former American NBA basketballer and motivational speaker, and working with dozens and dozens of speakers to add all their content plus hundreds and hundreds of hours of content. 21st Century Education, which I've developed, licensed to this. So basically now for what you used to pay over $15,000 for less than $100 a month, you can be learning this on the Netflix of online education. That's 21st Century University. So take advantage of that. So while you're at home, learn. But the thing I wanted to talk to you about is the two big trends apart from online learning. Those industries are going to boom. But the other big trend is online home-based businesses. I've always taught to have multiple forms of income. So something like, a crisis does happen. You're not like stranded financially like many people unfortunately are right now. So I know many people are looking for an online type income. You can work from home and generate an income. Many of you have lost your jobs or obviously been put back to reduce work. So what we've also done, I'll give you the links to this. We've made available, I was about to open offices globally for 21st Century University and 21st Century Education, but obviously with the coronavirus, we can't do that. So we said, how do we make this available where we can recruit consultants around the world and speakers and coaches and promoters and social media influencers to generate an income from home. And I'm excited that it's now available. This is a pre-launch. I'll give you a link after this, but you can go to 20th Century University, that's 20thcenturyu.com, and learn how to build a 6 or 7 figure income online from home with an online-based business. So that's one of the huge trends. So if you're looking for different trends, that's what you should be looking for, is what industries will profit or come out of this crisis better than they went in, and the world will be reshaped in a different way whether we like it or not. So we can bitch and moan about things we don't like, and there's certain things in government policy I don't agree with, but we can focus on what we do control. We're at home right now, let's learn as much as we can. But what would be great if you could earn while you're learning. That's always been a motto that I've had, earn while you learn. And you can do that now with 21st Century University. If you love learning motivational speaking and motivational talks, etc. So for people like Arnold Schwarzenegger, best-selling author of 4 Hour Workweek, Tim Ferriss. So Richard Branson's been a lecturer at 21st Century U. Danny Green, the boxer. Mark Boris, Australia's Donald Trump. A whole host of different speakers. Randy Zuckerberg, Mark Zuckerberg's sister, top first 20 Facebook employees. You can learn all this now, but also if you'd like to be in an industry where you can help make a difference. Like anyone can sell widgets and make money right now, but a lot of people, have made money in business, selling widgets, but they don't really have the fulfillment that comes from being in an industry where you can actually make a genuine impact on someone else's life. And I guess the greatest thing I've enjoyed being a motivational speaker for the last 2 decades is that literally every day I get a message from someone around the world saying how much I've changed their life. Whether it's one of my books that they've read, what I didn't learn at school but wish I had, which was a bestseller 20 years ago now, to attending one of my live events or watching some of my videos online. So it's a very rewarding industry to be in. And if you want to be in an industry like that, multi-billion-dollar industry where you can be right now, take advantage of this link. Go check it out. We are recruiting consultants around the world right now. Some of you, just a side hustle making, extra $500 to $1,000 US a month would be of interest. Others, $5,000 to $10,000 a month would probably be enough for you to consider it as a full-time side hustle. But we're also looking for people that, the big hitters out there that want to make that 50 to 100,000 US a month. And some of you guys will be able to do that in the next 30, 60 days with what's being created with this. So take advantage of it. Love to hear from you more, but I'm excited. I'm partnered with 20th Century University. I'm all for this. I'm going for it. And this is pre-launch stage, so take advantage of it before the rest of the world finds out. Talk to you soon.